Hey guys, we're doing another unboxing video. We got a new drone here. This is a Striker X made by World Tech Elite. As you can see, it was already out of the box. It was a very bulky box and did not fit on this table, so I had to take it out. So as you've seen in my previous ones, you can connect them to your phone. This one, unfortunately, you cannot, but it does come with an SD card. So you can actually connect the SD card to your phone if you have the little adapter, or you can plug it into your computer. So you can see your flights, your videos, and your pictures. Let's go ahead and open this up. Very big box, as you can see. I don't know why they put such a small drone. They should have broke it down before putting it in here. Let me grab my knife real quick and I'll cut these. So it looks like this is going to come with your extra blades, screwdriver to take your blades off. I like this one because these blades are actually color coded, so it'd be hard to mix them up. Let's go ahead and take these out. And I just dropped them. So this is your SD reader. So it comes with your little chip here, 4 GB chip, and then it plugs in there, and you can plug it right in your computer, or if you have, like I said, you have the adapter for your phone, you can do it that way as well. Comes with your charger for your battery. Take this controller out. The controller is pretty cool. I think most of it's just for show. I believe these here are going to be your trim features to trim out. Supposedly this one has autopilot. Don't know how well that's going to work with a $25 drone, but we'll test that once we get batteries and everything in it. You got your speed control, and this one also has auto return, which is a good function to have on that one. Very light, as you can see. This basically is a replica of the Simon drones, if you've ever seen those, the cheaper drones. They do fly good, but definitely not in the wind, so this is more of an indoor drone. That's why it comes with the guards already preset onto it. So to get access to your SD card, you pop your camera off, slides off, along with your batteries in there. So if you pull this battery completely out, and then it plugs in right here, and then your SD card is actually going to plug into the back of the camera. So we'll take this out and fly it. Or I'm gonna fly it outside. I don't like flying any drones in the house. So we'll fly it outside and see how well it does. RC subscription, so you can basically sign up with this company to get helicopters, RCs, anything like that. So we'll maybe join these guys. So this one you actually have to do a pass. So you got a $29 pass, and they send you a helicopter. Operation manual, don't need that. And this is your quick start guide. Don't need that either. So we'll go ahead and get the batteries in, charge the battery up, and then we'll take it out and see how well it flies outside. So I'm gonna slowly fly it